Teeth grinding or bruxism often happens when stress takes over, but you can relax your jaw and protect your teeth with these 3 quick exercises. Use your fingers to gently massage the muscles just in front of your ears. This relieves tension and increased blood flow. Open your mouth wide, then close it slowly while focusing on keeping your jaw relaxed. Rest your tongue on the roof of the mouth just behind your front teeth. This helps train your jaw to stay relaxed throughout the day. Grinding your teeth can lead to serious dental issues. Follow us for more tips and book a consultation today to explore custom night guards and other solutions to protect your teeth.